Here's something that might help some of you who are buying older homes and remodeling them. And that's the fact that some of these older staircases can have extreme wear on the steps. And with that wear, you can end up with some variations between the steps that could create building code problems. And of course, these building code problems might need to be fixed, and in my opinion, should be fixed to prevent the possibility of an accident. So let's go ahead and take our trusty framing square, set it into place. We're going to make a mark on it at the top of each step. And if the stairs were built correctly, then each one of the steps should be the same depth and height. However, you are allowed to have a maximum of 3/8 of an inch variation in the individual riser height and the tread depth. So here we don't have a problem. Everything's looking good because this section of the stairway doesn't have any wear and tear on it. However, that's not the case down here, where we're missing the front nosing, or we have a large section of the step that has split off, or we're dealing with steps that are missing sections that are usually going to be located in the center of the stairway, because these are the sections that are going to take the most abuse from people walking up and down the stairway. And over time, those sections can wear depending upon how many people are using the stairway and for how long. And of course, if we break out our trusty framing square and shove it up tight against the face of the stair tread, which is what the building code is going to require you to do, you can see here where we have a variation. And if this is more than 3/8 of an inch, you could have a problem. However, what if the rest of the stairway has the same wear on each tread? It's all the same. And we shove our framing square up against the upper step, and there is no inconsistency, or the entire stairway doesn't have a maximum variation of over 3/8 of an inch in the steps. Well, then I'm going to leave that up to your local building inspector and not speculate on it. However, I will speculate on the fact that they're probably not going to be worn the same. Bringing us back to the original reason why I made the video, and that's to make homeowners, not really contractors, they should know better, aware of a problem you could run into if you live in a 2-story house and you get permits to make remodeling changes to your property.